My name is Derrick Hsiao. I am a senior high school student from Taiwan, studying in Taipei Municipal Jianguo High School. I designed FELK, an interactive fire extinguisher learning kit that has been designed to simulate an authentic user experience for every one of us. According to the data from National Fire Agency, in Taiwan, there are over 20,000 cases of fire every year, causing more than 1.4 billion of property loss. More than 600 people are injured or killed by fire. Common fire outbreaks can be controlled by the fire extinguisher. Most people can recognize one, but only few have a first-hand experience of using it. Unacquainted with a fire extinguisher results in missing the optimal opportunity to put out a fire at its early stage, and I want to help to change that. Through speaking with professors and firefighters, I found there were common problems with current fire extinguishers. They are non-reusable, the refilling costs are expensive, and the chemical powders are pernicious to our health. These drawbacks make it unsuitable for educational purpose. FELK is a firefighting device specifically designed for educational and experiential purpose for both children and adults. Every set of FELK comprises a fire extinguisher and a target training tool. Compared to an ordinary dry powder fire extinguisher, using only water as a refilling supplement makes FELK can be easily used by anyone with nearly no refilling cost. And no noxious leftovers exposed to the people and the environment makes it completely ecologically friendly. Constructed with actual fire extinguisher cylinder, simulates an authentic operating experience for its users. Most importantly, the multiple electronic sensors installed on both the extinguisher and the target training tool can examine the educational performance. There are two connection ports on the top of the fire extinguisher, one for filling water and the other for pumping air, and an extra security valve for safety. After the preparation process, we should follow the official guidelines of fire extinguishers operating procedures. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle, squeeze the lever, sweep the fire. After completed successfully, the wind and water sensors on the target training tool will be activated and produce sound and light effects to remind the user of his success. By only re-adding water and pumping air, the next student can reuse FELK without any cost. My belief that drives me to keep enhancing my design is from the hunger to solve problems from the real world and to cultivate the ability of innovation. My name is Derrick Hsiao, a senior high school student from Taiwan. I care, and I can do it.